Today we will talking about your hometown. I have some question to ask you. Please answer my question with full sentences. Are you ready?
Yes.
What is your hometown name?
My hometown is called Siem Reap.
Is your hometown big or small?
My hometown is a medium size.
What do you like about your hometown?
I like Siem Reap because Siem Reap have a lot of beautiful place and the people are kind.
What places can people visit in your hometown?
In Siem Reap, people can visit Angkor Temple, Glen Mountain, Sam Temple, and night market.
What food is your hometown famous for?
In Siem Reap, they are famous for fish amok, Khmer noodle, and akaokatis.
What do people usually do in your hometown?
In my hometown, people usually work in restaurant, in hotel, and some of them do as tourists.
How is the weather in your hometown?
The weather in Siem Reap is hot most of the year and rainy during the wet season.
Do you live in your hometown now?
Yes, I still live in Siem Reap now.
Would you like to live in your hometown forever?
Yes, I would like to live in Siem Reap forever because it is my hometown and I love the culture.
What is one thing do you want to change in your hometown?
One thing I want to change in my hometown is about the road because the road is always broken in the rainy season.
Thank you so much for your answer. You did a great job. That's the end of your speaking test. See you next time.